Today we are in Nature Treasures Farm, Ras Al Khaima. This is the entrance of the farm. To get in, we need to take tickets. There is a museum at the beginning of the farm. Let's have a look. There are many corals and many other things. Look, old weapons and many lamps. These are ancient people using things. Oh, look, statues of animals with birds. And these animals are also there. Wow, there are more animal statues. It's good. Look, snakes, statue of snakes. I don't like that. That's really cute. Oh, look, crocodile and the turtle. Look, fossils of animals and creepy things. I don't want to see them. Ooh, seashells. Oh, look, a gemstone. Wow, it's made of glass. Wow. Oh, look, there's something written. Come, let's watch inside the farm. See some birds. Let's go deeper. Many loud birds are here. Wow. Ducks. Look, ducks. And look, peacocks. A peacock. Yes. So flamingos are there. So flamingos here. Quite a lot. Look guys, an uncle is making mud pots. Let's join with him.
क्या नाम है?
वेद।
वेद कैसा करना है? ठीक है? होना चाहिए ना।
The uncle asked my name and he is helping me make the mud balls. I mean mud pots. It was really fun.
हाँ बड़ा हो रहा है? ये बड़ा हो रहा है। ये आपके हाथ हैं।
Wow, my pot is coming nicely. Yeah, it's almost done. I'm keeping it here to dry. I'll take it home when I am going home. It's a snake! Oh, I'm getting scared. There's a cat coming near me. There's a corn farm. Let's have a look. Oh, look, there's a bridge we can walk on. It's very nice. I'm going to take a walk on the bridge. Oh, it's nice and beautiful. Look, an ostrich. We can see many animals when we are walking on the bridge. This is Arabian oryx. This is the national animal of UAE. What a beautiful farm. They are farming vegetables here. You can see date farm also from here. This is a nice farm. My UAE friends can come here and enjoy during this vacation.